Hello traders, welcome back to Crypto Pivot channel. Today we continue analyzing gold. Like I said, we need confirmation on the lower time frame. Now we have confirmation on 1 hour time frame. We came exactly to our demand zone, and what I see here, if price give reaction, if this order block give reaction, we can expect it reversal here after closing fully this imbalance and mitigate our demand zone. Plus, we have order block. Here also possible to catch longs with target till this imbalance. Let's go to another pair. By the way, if you're interested in trading and how smart money works, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. Actually, this signal was in our V community, and yeah, as you see, we have also confirmation on 1 hour time frame. This our boss on 1 hour time frame, plus we have bearish supply. I expected reversal here on lower time frame after catch this liquidity and mitigate our supply zone. And our target will be the first problematic zone. It's this order block, plus it's 705 of Fibonacci level. We can expect also reversal here, but this later. Let's check what Monday says to us. And yeah, EURNZD. Now we are in bearish order flow. Price grab liquidity here. We have breakout market structure on 1 hour time frame. This our mini boss, and price build liquidity and give to us fake out break of market structure. I don't believe that is a real break of market structure because price already mitigate here 0.5 Fibonacci level, and I expect impulse till this bearish supply zone, and after it I expected reversal on the lower time frame, and our target will be till 0.05 zone. So this impulse wasn't mitigated, and we can expect reversal from our supply zone till 0.5 of Fibonacci level. Let's go to another pair. It's GBP CHF. What I see here, price grab liquidity, and then we have break of market structure on 1 hour time frame. Price leave for us imbalance on 4 hour time frame, and we have demand zone. Here I expected reversal on a lower time frame, but be careful with this because price build liquidity for this order block. Here also possible reversal when we grab this demand zone, because here also stop losses, and also it's also possible to mitigate this order block. For today, that's it. With you was Hastur. Don't forget to subscribe, give the like, drop the comment, and also if you want something to analyze, leave the comment with the name of the pair or index or what you want. I will check it. Have a profitable day. Bye.